So this is my garden hive, my one and only hive for 2025. My first ever attempt at keeping bees. I had the nuke from Gwen and Griffith in Carmarthenshire. When I'm watching it back, doing the voiceover, because I didn't have time last year. Or I guess I have less of a clue than I got now, which is still not much. No matter how many videos and you watch, things you read, people you talk to, still forget so much when you open that hive up and you're having a look. So you can see the first mistake there then at the start of the video is I put the super on straight away. And I just thought I'd speed it up, just so we can have a quick little look. Plenty of burr comb being built. So I didn't look at it for 4 weeks after putting the nuke in. Just to give him some time and try and get some frames drawn out. One thing I could have done was put a feeder frame in there, which to help him draw out. So this was the start of May, this was. I remember seeing the Queen, I think she was on the second dark frame in from out of the nuke. You'll probably be able to see that more on the next video, which I let him play full length, which is from the chest camera, which cut out after however many minutes, 10 minutes or whatever it was. Dodgy. Couldn't get it to work properly. And I had the garden in the hive for a year, just getting a bit weathered, thinking maybe that a swarm might go in there, not knowing then about swarm traps. And it just happened that, well, not just happened, it happened to be a swarm on the tree 2 rows up in their front garden, like a week or two after I put the nuke in the hive. And then doing what you do, just sitting there afterwards admiring the bees.